this video, we showcase Ajna. Ajna is an analytics platform for financial markets and it can help you reduce time for complex analysis from hours to minutes. So let's dive straight into it. We all know that rupee has appreciated sharply over the last few months, and let's say your view is that now rupee is likely to depreciate given the ongoing geopolitical risks. So I want to see how it will impact certain stocks. We maintain a list of predefined events. Let's see if we have anything on rupee. Yes, we do. Rupee depreciates sharply by more than 5% in a 2-week period against the USD. So in the past, 6 such events have happened. Now, when rupee depreciates, it should benefit IT stocks and it should benefit healthcare stocks because both of them are exporters. Now, let's say I have a trading strategy when I buy these two sectors one day after the event and hold them for 1 month. Let's see how the trading strategy performs. So, as we can see, pharma stocks are likely to do much better than IT stocks. 83% of the time, this trade would have resulted in a positive return. Although the average returns are quite small for both IT and pharma, only 1.4% for healthcare. Now let's look at the individual trade performance and see what was going on. In case of IT, the performance are quite mixed, but let's focus on healthcare, which seems more promising. For healthcare, we see positive trades in 5 out of 6 times, and the only time when the trade has resulted negative return is the time of the global financial crisis of 2008. So we can potentially ignore it. So it's a good trade to put on. Now let's go back and try something else. So recently Infosys CEO resigned and the stock fell by 15% over 2 consecutive trading days. Now, if you were at that time, thinking that should you buy Infosys at that level or should you sell it, how would you make that call? Ajna can help you decide that. So let's look for events in the past where Infosys stock fell by more than 10% in 2 consecutive trading days. So we have had several such events. 21st August is the most recent one which we are analyzing. So let's ignore that and only look at the past events. And the asset we have to focus on is Infi. Okay. Now let's say the trading strategy is we buy Infosys the next day and we hold it, let's say, for 15 days. All right, that would have been an awesome trade. Infosys, this trade would have resulted positive returns 80% of the times, and the average return would have been 2.2%. Not a bad trade to put on. And let's focus on individual trade performance. Again, it's fairly good. Positive returns typically in the range of low single to early double-digit gains. And you can see, not only we have positive returns, we also have, Sharpe ratio, we compute daily average return, etc. So as you can see, you can do a very comprehensive analysis in a matter of seconds using Ajna. And Ajna can really help you make money.